There are many reasons and beliefs why we find this type of swaddle in different countries around the world. But today we're going to focus on baby wearing safety. Our main concern when it comes to safety in both ergonomic and traditional baby wearing is that the baby is able to breathe. However, clear airways might look different depending on the school and the context. In some places, they use ticks, where the I stands for in view. In some other schools, clear airways is not the same as in view, because actually you can have visible airways that are blocked, or you can have clear airways that you cannot see. So we prioritize good positioning with a good pelvic tuck, knees above butt, a curved spine, clear airways, a good height, and the right tension to keep everything I mentioned before in place so the baby is safe. In traditional baby wearing, when babies are swaddled like this, the fabric or belts that are used to wrap the baby are working as an exoskeleton, which keeps the baby safe and prevents chin against chest. So let's put this swaddle to test. I'm using 2 layers of fabric and a belt around the baby. This is a demo doll, which means that it doesn't have any muscle tone. This means that it is incapable of holding its position by themselves. Let me show you how this works. I can basically grab my baby like this, and it holds its position upside down, holding only their head. The other side, upside down. Now their legs. So when these babies are being carried on the caregiver's back, we cannot really see them. And actually, in some places, it is very advisable to use a part of the fabric as a lid to cover my baby, to protect it from the outside, which implies that my baby's face is not visible. So, position is being held by the type of swaddle. Baby's muscles are completely relaxed because the fabric and the belt are doing all the work. Also, the swaddle is preventing their chin to go against their chest, which keeps their airways clear. There are 3 common back carries when babies are swaddled like this. Completely horizontal on the adult's back, babies are facing upwards, and the fabric is working like a hammock. They could go diagonally, which is how they usually wear newborns. So this way we prevent their noses and mouths to be pressed against the adult's body. And as they grow, they are carried more vertically and a little loop-sided. So you may have seen their heads peeking over the adult's shoulder like this. I hope this helps clarify some concerns that people have about safety in traditional baby ring contexts where babies are swaddled, because actually by swaddling we make sure that the babies are kept safe